In this video, I will show you how to make a custom status on Discord. And if this video does help you out today, please consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like on the video, and also consider subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. With that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So here we are. I'm currently on the Discord app. Now, if you are using a mobile device or a web-based version, then just follow along because the steps are exactly the same. It might just be the case that the buttons are in a slightly different place. So to add a custom status, what you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner, and next to your name, you want to click onto your profile icon. So what it's going to do is bring up your profile, and you'll see here it actually says set custom status. So all you want to do is go ahead, give that a click, and then what you want to do is put your custom status into here. As an example, I'm just going to put is eating pizza, and what you can do is choose how long to have that displayed. So you can choose to clear that after today, 4 hours, 1 hour, or you can have the status up until you decide to change it. And once that's done, you also want to change this box to see if you want to be set as online, do not disturb, idle, or invisible. And then once that's done, click the blue save button. And you will now see that has instantly updated. And in the bottom left hand corner, you can see by my name that when the name tag changes, it's saying my custom status. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, as I say, if you would consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel, I really do appreciate it. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next tutorial.